Can you solve this Python problem? However, you can only do this with one line of code. You need to make a new list from the list below with only the names starting with A. You then need to capitalize them and then add their surname Smith. So for example, it should look like this. Let's solve this step by step. Firstly, we need to filter out the names. So we can do this with filter. There's two parts to filter. The first bit being a function, second part, something to iterate over. Well, that's going to be the names. So we need a one-line function now. That's lambda. And then when we're iterating over each name, we need to find the first letter. That's the index of 0. And if that equals A, that's our filter. So let's print this out to see if this is correct. And we've got a filter object at this. Well, we can't see it yet because we need to turn it into a list. So if we run it once again, there is our filtered list. We now need to capitalize and add the surname Smith. So let's just create another variable, and this time we're going to use the map function. Now this is very similar. First part is a function, second part is something to iterate over. Well, we're going to be iterating over A, or we can just take this filter here and then place it here. So that's our filtered list. So for our function, we need the lambda once again, and then we'll just put X for X this time. This is a good point to capitalize, so let's capitalize here. And then we also need to add the word Smith. So let's now print B. And well, we're almost there. We made the mistake by not having a space. If we print once again, we've got that list we're looking for. But we could take this one step further. Let's just remove all this. Let's print this in one line. We then are going to print it out properly. Let's join it. And then if we close at the end, to there, let's run this. We've got it all nicely printed out. So that's your answer there. Let me just drop this down. Catch you guys next time.